Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist, and today we're taking a quick look at Polygon on the daily time frame. As always, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look here at a daily time frame for Polygon. So as we can see here, it's pretty clear that Polygon's been having a decent time recently, obviously ever since we came down and sat pretty much perfectly on this 50-cent psychological level for a nice back test down here. You can obviously see I've pulled my Fibonacci from the all-time high down to that current low of the bear market. You can see we got down to around 32 cents down here, which was this previous area of structure, which is a very, you know, you'd expect this is the kind of area where you'd be looking for some good demand for Polygon, especially considering this was around a 90% correction from the all-time high, which is where you tend to get the bounce as well. We obviously got the bounce, and then since then we were working the Fibonacci levels like an absolute beast. These were really good resistances and support for Polygon, and they still are. And as you can see, our bear market resistance sitting here right now, looking like in this local area, have actually broken out and are currently trying to back test this area along with this 0.50 Fibonacci level. These Fib levels have been very well respected by Polygon throughout the bear market, and I think they will continue to do so in the bull market as well. But you can see very clearly we came down to around that 50-cent psychological support there. We come down into this area, as you can see, kind of got a just continuous bottoming out, very low volume and low interest in pushing the price further down. And then you can see here, obviously we've got the bounce to the upside. We broke out this local resistance that was kind of that yearly downtrend that we saw for a lot of cryptos in the altcoin space. And then obviously with Bitcoin, it had a few months where it was pumping, and then we did start to see rotation into altcoins, and then obviously Polygon coming up here, getting above that 100-day moving average for the first time in a good while, running all the way up to that 0.50 level, back testing the 0.38 level, and then breaking to the upside again, and now looking like we're breaking out of potentially two resistances, that Fibonacci level and the bear market resistance as well. So overall, looking very good indeed. Obviously still stuck under that potential $1 psychological level, which of course is also a very key level that needs to be flipped and turned into support again after, you know, basically being, for want of a better word, a very strong resistance for a good while here. You can see we've got that momentary move to the upside, but resistance again, and then obviously we only momentarily got above this for a month or so before being stuck back under it again. So I think this is going to be obviously a very large pivot point for Polygon, and you can see back here that this area was obviously a big area of contention that we are coming up into now, in and around that 0.618 Fibonacci, obviously the biggest level in my opinion about flipping the current market sentiment from bearish to bullish. We are almost there in my opinion for the altcoin market, but we do need to see a little bit more of continuation and follow through for Polygon before we consider this to be, you know, I would say a bull market. But we are heading into that Bitcoin halving, and you know, we are looking like we are gearing up for that next bull market overall. Lots of things are pumping, lots of movement in the markets and lots of volatility, so very interesting to see what happens next. Overall, Polygon looking good in my opinion. The hourly time frame just showing us basically that Fibonacci level is currently getting back tested continuously here, so we'll see what happens next. But overall, feeling excited and bullish on what we're going to see next for Polygon. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, go sign up to the amazing bonuses in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.